In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete reviews on Booking.com. If you've posted feedback you no longer want to keep, I'll walk you through where to find it and how to remove it quickly and confidently. Start by opening Booking.com on your computer or in the mobile app. Make sure you're using the same account that originally posted the review so the right options appear for you. At the top right of the site, or in the app's main navigation, click your profile. This is usually shown as your name, a profile icon, or about avatar. Clicking it opens your personal account menu, which is where Booking.com groups all your activity and settings. From that menu, click on Reviews. This takes you to your review timeline, a page that lists the comments and ratings you've shared. Think of it as your hub for everything you've said about places you've stayed. If you've left multiple reviews, you'll see them organized here, typically by date or property. Take a moment to scroll and locate the specific review you want to remove. It helps to look for the property name and the stay dates to be sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've found the review you want to delete, look for the option to manage it. Depending on your device, this may appear as a delete button, a trash can icon, or an options menu represented by 3 dots. Click Delete. You'll usually be asked to confirm just to make sure you're not removing something by accident. Confirm the deletion, and the review will be taken down. In most cases, this removes both the text and the score you left for that property. If you don't see a delete option, double-check that you're on the reviews page of the correct account and that the review you're looking for is actually listed there. Sometimes the page may need a quick refresh to load all options, especially on a slow connection. It's also normal for the public page to take a short while to update, so if the review doesn't disappear instantly from search or the property page, give it a moment and refresh again. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Deleting a review is typically permanent, so be sure you've selected the right one before you confirm. After you're done, revisit the reviews page to verify it's no longer listed, and refresh the property page if you want to confirm from the public view. That's it. You've opened your profile, gone to reviews, and removed the review you no longer want shown. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Booking.com account.